alongside Favorite. There goes Sights.
Gentlemen,
From alongside.
how you guys doing? All right, jumping in your car or what? All right, damn, looking fresh. Look at that. Uh-huh. Go ahead, show them the gear. Show them the gear. Wide angle going.
You're right next to the fat face.
John, you having fun?
I'm having a great time. Let's take the mask off for this.
So let's tell everybody on the YouTubes, why are you here? What's
Man, so I came down to Dentless Touch. Chris and Davo, they offered to help me with the videos for my dream event booth. Mm-hmm. And you guys killed it. Killed it. Just, I mean, I never seen a setup like this. I felt like TMZ was going to be outside. There was like 4 cameras,
celebrity,
big lights.
Get your autograph.
And we knocked out a ton of video.
Yeah, 20, 21, 22.
Down and edited. Like, you're a master.
Nah, man.
You are.
You're the one take John. Man. That's what made it so easy for me.
Well,
So if you guys don't know, John is the owner of Dent Reaper Tools, the best sharp tools, door tools, and now picks out on the market, and tails, right?
Yeah,
we're
expanding into everything.
Yeah. So definitely visit his website, see what he offers. DentReaper.com.
DentReaper.com.
There we go. So we're gonna grab something to eat, bring you guys along, and this is day 2. So this is our relaxation day. After we worked so hard, what was it, 10 hours yesterday?
This is what I told Davo.
Yeah,
yesterday we went ham. This morning we're going bacon.
I like that.
French toast for sure. Yeah. French toast. Do the bacon too with it. All of it.
Oh! I like scooters. Them things are back out.
The French.
You like it?
Oh yeah. Little gas tank action. Need a refuel?
Yeah, I don't think it comes off.
I was gonna try
Stationary.
To try to drink from it.
It's stationary.
Yes.
Yeah,
That's
nice.
awesome.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Nice little setup. All right, what we got here?
We're gonna hit the head.
John, where's your latest tools
The latest
for the vlog? Just quickly, let's go over your.
We'd probably say
the new.
They're gonna be the Executioners.
Okay.
Are the latest. The Reaper picks are still prototypes in the car, but these are designed for type race. This is more of a hood and deck style, so you get into some of those tight holes or up in between the braces. You got a soft push on one side and a sharp push on the other side. Good for aluminum, high strength steel. Very precise pushes. One question: if you were a Dent, would you want to be pushed? Of course you would. You want to be filled with Bondo, or you want to be pushed back to the right position? Everybody wants to be pushed back to the right position. And then you got the straight version, great for corners, any tight braced area. Slide it in, plenty of flex, get you where you need to go. And the drive on this sucker, intense. Couldn't get more drive if you tried. I dare you. I double dog dare you to find more drive on a tool with this much access. Good luck with that.
And then that pull, how you're doing it like that.
So,
There's 2 extensions.
oh, can we just fashion a weight that will slide over the ends right on the wheel?
Like a horseshoe or something?
But just like anything that's just turn it out like that, if you put the light here, it's gonna tilt because it has no leg. You want to match the middle.
Yeah.
But man, this slides up and it slides into the light. You see that?
Yep.
I like that part. So there we go. Over. And then these come up.
You setting up?
Setting up the Tool Tuesday that we're going to be running now. Tool Tuesday. So every Tuesday, we're going to be showcasing tools. And that is the goal. Shirt.
Well, you know what we're going to be doing? We're going to be staying dent free.
There you go.
That's the way to live. Dent free is the way to be. That's what I tell all my customers. If there's one way to be, it's dent free. So stay dent free. Okay?
So we are literally setting up the tool. Don't worry about this corner right here. But this is the way you're going to see it.
I'll tell you what, Dave. I've been using these executioners
Why, you
like
guys-
crazy.
Let's turn on the light here and give our viewers a little sample of what to come. Ooh, look at that light.
Sharp push here. Now, the key
see if I
is
can turn on
you
the-
want a soft push. You just
Show you guys that. Look at that.
100%. I
It
definitely
has a lot of power.
I enjoy girth.
Yeah, me too.
I enjoy girth.
I don't know anybody who's an anti-girth. Unless you need to get into some tight spaces. Then you need less girth.
100%.
Maybe something like this into a really tight space. in
Yeah.
between.
Back to Minnesota soon. So I want to thank you
I want to
for
thank
jumping
you
on our
Man.
vlog. No,
Dude, this has been so much fun. I had a blast. We got a lot accomplished, and
yeah, I appreciate
just
it. Dave, you want to say anything?
mad props to
I
you, Dave.
appreciate. I mean, I loved hanging out. I love hanging out with John every time I see him. So it's always a fun time.
Good
and
times,
I appreciate you stopping by. Honestly, I really do. I really do. That's awesome.
Thanks for showing me around
No
Old
problem.
Town.
There you go.
Yeah, tons of fun.
There we
Tons
go.
of fun for sure.
See you guys.
Till
Stay
next
tuned.
time. Keep pushing.